Hi, Sarah. Have you ever thought about how humans evolved over time?
Hey, John. Yeah, I find it fascinating. I mean, it's incredible how we went from living in caves to building skyscrapers.
Absolutely. It's all thanks to evolution. I was reading about how life started from single-celled organisms billions of years ago. Can you imagine that?
It's mind-blowing. And then over millions of years, those simple organisms developed into more complex life forms. Isn't that how fish eventually became land animals?
Exactly. That transition from water to land was a huge step. It's amazing how nature adapts to challenges. Think about how fins turned into legs to help creatures survive on land.
Yeah, and that led to the rise of reptiles, dinosaurs, and eventually mammals. Isn't it strange to think that humans share a common ancestor with apes?
Not strange, but definitely humbling. I read that the genetic similarity between humans and chimpanzees is around 98%. That's so close.
True. But what's even more fascinating is how culture and technology have evolved alongside us. Unlike other species, we rely on innovation just as much as biology.
Right. Language, tools, agriculture, all of that transformed human society. It's like we started influencing our own evolution. Have you heard of cultural evolution?
Yeah, it's the idea that knowledge and behaviors are passed down, shaping societies over generations. It's not just about survival anymore, it's about progress and creativity.
Exactly. And now, with modern technology like genetic engineering, we might even control our biological evolution. That raises some big ethical questions, doesn't it?
Definitely. Like, should we edit genes to eliminate diseases? Or could that lead to creating designer babies? It's exciting, but also a bit scary.
True, but it's important to find a balance. Evolution has always been about adaptation, but now we have a responsibility to think about the consequences of our actions.
Well said. It's amazing to think how far we've come, from early hominids using stone tools to where we are now. Who knows what's next?
The possibilities are endless, but no matter how advanced we get, I think it's important to remember where we came from and respect the natural world.
I couldn't agree more. Evolution isn't just a story of the past, it's an ongoing process. We're part of something so much bigger than ourselves.
Absolutely. It's a journey that never really ends.
And that's what makes it so incredible. Thanks for the chat, John. Always great talking about these big ideas with you.
Same here, Sarah. Let's continue this conversation another time.